Colombia bans all new oil and mining projects in its Amazon rainforest, protecting an area the size of Sweden that covers about 42% of the country, one of the biggest conservation wins in history. What if a country chose the planet over profit and actually meant it? Colombia just made a historic move, banning all new oil and mining projects across its Amazon rainforest, protecting nearly 42% of its entire land. That's not just a policy change, that's an area as massive as Sweden being shielded from destruction. This region isn't just trees, it's one of the richest ecosystems on Earth, filled with rare wildlife, deep rivers, and ancient forests that have survived for millions of years. Every inch of it plays a role in balancing the planet's climate, absorbing carbon, and producing life-sustaining oxygen. For decades, this same land was under constant threat. Oil drilling, mining operations, and deforestation slowly crept in, cutting deeper into the forest, risking irreversible damage. Entire habitats were pushed to the edge, and indigenous communities faced losing the land they've protected for generations. But now, Colombia is changing that story. By stopping new extraction projects, it's drawing a clear line: some places are simply too valuable to exploit. This isn't just about protecting nature, it's about protecting the future. Because the Amazon isn't just Colombia's responsibility, it affects the entire world. It helps regulate global temperatures, controls rainfall patterns, and supports biodiversity on a scale that science is still trying to fully understand. And the impact goes even deeper. Protecting this forest means preserving thousands of unknown plant species that could hold future medicines, protecting water systems that millions depend on, and maintaining a natural balance that modern technology simply cannot replace. It also sends a powerful message to other nations. If a country rich in natural resources can step back from exploitation, it challenges the idea that economic growth must always come at the cost of the environment. It proves that leadership can mean restraint, not just expansion. There's also a cultural impact. Indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with this forest for centuries now have a stronger chance to preserve their traditions, knowledge, and way of life without outside disruption. And globally, this decision could inspire a ripple effect. Other countries may begin to rethink their priorities, realizing that protecting ecosystems today could prevent disasters tomorrow. It even reshapes how future generations will see progress, not as how much we extract, but how much we protect and sustain over time. Of course, the decision isn't easy. Oil and mining bring massive revenue, jobs, and economic growth. Walking away from that means choosing long-term survival over short-term gain. It's a risk, but also a powerful statement. In a world where most nations